How to fix Telegram media download error. To fix Telegram media download error, you should first ensure your internet connection is stable and check for the Telegram server outage on sites like Down Detector. So open up your browser and simply type in Telegram Down Detector. And this is where you could go ahead and select it though, and you could find that whether there is an issue with the Telegram or not. Next, what you could also do is simply exit out, and then you could just go ahead and locate Telegram onto your device. Select settings at the very bottom, then you go to data and storage. Here you want to make sure to enable or ensure automatic media download is toggled on for mobile data, Wi-Fi and roaming as well. So once you've done this, you could also go ahead and reset the storage settings. You just want to make sure to go ahead and scroll down and look for reset settings as well. This should also be able to fix. Next, you also want to make sure to clear your cache as well. And likewise, you want to exit out, go ahead and look for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version as well. So simply type in Telegram on the search bar and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version as well. So this way you should be able to fix Telegram media download error. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.